ได้เลยว้าวเยี่ยมมากไอ้ตึกนี่ได้ไหมครับโอ้เป็นแบบนั้นดีมากเราจะนั่ง
All right, my friends, you did it. Looks like we survived Econ 360 3D. We're going to go ahead and pull out of the building here, and then we're going to stop for just a moment. You guys did great. Well done.
Venimos a la masacre. Les dije que nos fueran de atrás. Se los comió el último cuento. Tumbaron algo por eso. ¿Cuánta memory tienes? ¿Tú grabas
All right, my friends, thank you so much for your patience. We're going to see if we can't contact someone to take a peek. But again, my friends, anytime we head into an animation building, we are kind of on our own. So let's just try and figure this out. I guess this would be considered a blooper, right? Hey, comedy is everything. Here's some of my
Let me tell you
favorites.
something, Paige.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something.
Go ahead, they're rolling film.